Hey there guys, welcome back. It's Arrow Dragon, and I know I am late to the party, but I finally got my display box of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Ghosts from the past. I got this from my locals, and I have to say, I was really surprised that they weren't really overcharging it. I would be seeing, most of the displays going for about $100, or 110, sometimes 125, because a mini box nowadays you can find online for $25, but they were selling at retail, so big thanks to them. Man, it was insane. I'll put it that way. Um, so yeah, with further ado, let's jump right in and see what I can get. So I have already opened a couple of these, but not on for YouTube. I opened with my friends, and I pulled some amazing cards. Pulled the Dark Magician, Ghost Ray. Yeah, probably don't have it now at the time of recording because I already sold it, and just really wanted to help out my buddy complete his playset of the Dark Magician's Ghost Ray. But now, after seeing it shoot back up to like almost $2,000 for a near mint copy, which is really hard to come by, I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and hopefully I can get another one and try in my display box from locals. So here we go. 5 beautiful mini boxes. So there you go. Goes from the past. And I don't know what that was. I was like, lights are blinking, so I had to check the lighting. Hopefully the light bulb's not going bad. Don't want any equipment breaking on us now. Alright, so here we go. It's the first beautiful box that you guys probably seen by now. And in the most recent news, time recording, Walmart has come out with a statement and said that they will no longer be selling trading cards. I would explain why my local Walmart hasn't been restocking in the past 2 months. So it has been really crazy. I kind of upset, that it has gone this far, and people are just ruining trading card games for us by camping out. And it's like, really, is it really necessary? And Target is now limiting everything to 1. So that's also very fun. And it is. Alright, so our first pack, we got a Dragoonity Armagram. So the last card will most likely be something good. That's kind of like what I figured. So let's go ahead and continue. Time Thief Redoer. It's pretty nice. Danger Thunderbird. So we're trying to hit a vanilla. But it looks like we got a Link Monster here. We got Sun Avalon, Dryad Trentier. It's kind of hard to say, right? Well, Sun Avalon, pretty cool archetype. Really broken in its own ways, but who knows? Who knows if it'll top locals or something. And we got a Vampire Voivode. Also very good card to have, just in case vampires or zombies, go up in price. It's a really good card, actually. Alright. Go ahead and pop this next one open. Alright. Here we go. Dragon Knight Dracoic Quest. Classic. Alright. We have... oh, nice. Hieratic Seal of the Heavenly Spheres. I think out of like a few display boxes that my friends and I bought, we only pulled 2. So I guess it's pretty hard to pull. But yeah, 2 Hieratic Seals out from a couple boxes of displays. Nice, we got the new Hieratic Sky Dragon Overlord of Heliopolis. We also got Buster Dragon there too, so that's pretty nice. Alright. Sun Avalon Dryas. That's another nice one. And Galaxy Eyes Cypher X Dragon. Another very cool card to have come out. My friend was really excited for that one. It's pretty much a recycling card, extender. Pretty cool. So we haven't got any big hitters yet, especially the Ghost Rays. None of those yet. And I hate to say it, but if you open the pack and if you look at the back of the last card, if it's damaged, most of the time it's going to be a Ghost Rare card, because there's been a lot of damage. So, like, even here, I'm pretty sure there's not a Ghost Rare, but you can see like a print line on that. But it's really hard to get a Ghost Rare in very nice shape. Most of the time, or I guess you could say 80% of the time, you're going to be getting like a light flayed to a near mint. And we got Orchestrated Return. Not bad. Alright, so we got Hieratic Dragon up Asset. Metaphors Fusion, Mass Change. That is a very nice upgrade for Mass Change. A Dulce Fresh Sistart. Oh, and Shooting Star Dragon TGEX. I thought that was going to be the crystalling right there. But yeah, very cool. Yeah, the print run quality for Ghosts from the Past First Edition is not the greatest. We did get an announcement that we're gonna get unlimited editions. So unlimited edition Ghost Rares, yeah, not gonna be the hype because you want to get the first editions. So just out of curiosity, I'm gonna flip that around. Looks pretty clean. If that is a Ghost Rare, man, that would be amazing. Alright, we have Starry Dragon. Very cool. Put that on the side. I think my friend needs that. Hey, starting off with Galaxy Eye Cypher Blade Dragon. Splash Mage, Metaphor Silvered, Sunseat Shadow. Try saying that like 10 times fast. And Sunvine Thrasher. Actually, one of these short prints for the Sunvine cards. No, that was a couple dollars on release. Alright. Can this be it? Can this be Dark Magician Ghost Rare? Probably not. Photon Thrasher. And Dragoonity Remus. Hey, that's nice. I believe that's almost like one per display, unless I'm just really lucky, but I think ratio for that was it 1 per display? That was like 8 or 9 per case. So a case is 10 display boxes. But it's definitely one of the more expensive cards from the set. Besides the Ghost Rare, I think is the most expensive card. Okay. Here's the last mini box. First display. Like, this set is going to go down as one of the best sets ever because of the Ghost Rares. Archbrave Dragon. Another Dragoonity Armogram. Alright. Yeah, not to mention that there's a lot of really cool OCG imports that we're finally getting in here. So, let's see what we get here. And Phantom Knight's Fogblade. Alright. That's also another nice reprint. Gear Town. And Time Thief Adjuster. Also another nice $4 to $5 card there. And the Moment of Truth. Last pack. E-Telly. Alright. Cool, I'll take that. Ooh. Alright, not the normal monster we want to see. Could this be it? Ah, Sunvine Thrasher. That was going to be the VLS link. Alright, so overall, we didn't get any Ghost Rares, but we did do pretty good. Got a couple $4 to $5 cards, 2 to 3 maybe. Remus is probably around the $15 to $20 mark. Otherwise, some pretty good staples and good dollar cards. But yeah, no ghost rares, but I already pulled the Dark Magician once, so I'm pretty happy. I just wanted to open one for you guys on YouTube here. But guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is Arrow Dragon, and I'm signing out.